In this video, we're going to kick off our discussion of pipe networks and pressure networks. Before we create anything in Civil 3D, we need to go over some basic definitions of specific entities that are associated with pipe networks and pressure networks. These items are part catalogs and part lists. A Civil 3D part catalog contains definitions for all the pipe network parts that you can insert into a drawing. It's organized into two basic domains. One for pipe parts, such as cylindrical or rectangular pipes, and another for structure parts, such as head walls, catch basins, and so on. The catalog is located in a folder on your computer or a server where you access your Civil 3D settings. It's not contained inside your drawing. Kind of like all your survey user settings. The parts catalogs do not reside in a specific drawing, so they transfer across the program as a whole. Parts lists contain a set of pipe networks parts, pipes, and structures that you can use in a pipe network. You have parts lists so you don't have to navigate through the entire parts catalog looking for a specific pipe network part that you need. You can create your own parts lists to suit the needs of each project. Parts lists are unlike parts catalogs in that they reside in the specific drawing you're working in and do not transfer between drawings unless you copy them or have them as part of your template file, similar to description key sets.